back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It is like a hot pink halo cut crease kind of moment. But yeah, I don't really have too much to say, so let's just get right into the video. Alright, so as you can tell, it is going to be one of those tutorials where I start off one side completely finished. The reason why I chose the left side was because I feel like everybody has that one side that they're better at. And I feel like that just simply depends on if you're left-handed or right-handed. For me, I am right-handed, so this side is much easier for me, rather than having to like reach over here, and if I'm trying to like get something in the inner corner, I have to like worry about my nose. But on this side, it's all kind of just like right here. So the reason why I did the left first was because it is going to be easier for me to like kind of replicate something onto this side rather than doing something complex over here and then trying to replicate it on my bad side. I'm going to first start off by priming my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. And for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Palette in Brights, and I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade in my crease. Now that we have that color laid down, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade down here and focus that a little bit more in my crease. As you can see, this is like a much brighter shade of pink, and it's just more pigmented in general, so it shows up a bit more. And if I would have just went in with this color to begin with, it would have been really hard to blend out. But using this shade from the NYX palette really gave it something to blend into. Once we have the two shades of pink on, I'm then going to be taking a clean fluffy brush and just kind of going around the edges and buffing and blending it out so it can look a bit more soft. So now that we have this, I'm then going to be going in with that same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be placing that on my e.l.f. mixing palette, and this is when we're going to be kind of cutting the crease. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a bit, and I'm going to be placing that concealer directly in the middle, and I'm going to be looking up so I can find where my natural crease lays, which it's right there. Now that we have the concealer on there, I'm going to be taking this shade from the James Charles palette with my finger and just setting that so it doesn't smudge. And then I'm going to be taking a small pointed detailer brush and using that pink shade from the James Charles palette and going around the sides of the cut crease so we can blend it out. Okay, so now that we have the crease and everything cut and all blended out, I'm then going to be going in with my e.l.f. glitter glue, and I again put this on a mixer palette, and I'm going to be taking like a really small kind of flat tipped brush from Wet n Wild and taking the glitter glue and lining it right where the concealer meets the eyeshadow. Wherever this glitter glue goes is where the glitter is going to stick. And obviously we only want it to kind of stick in that one area, so be very precise with it. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX Loose Glitter in the shade 10 and applying that right where we put the glitter glue. So now that we have the glitter on there where we want it, I'm then gonna move on to the lower lash line, and using the pink from the James Charles palette, I'm going under my waterline. And now for my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Eyeler Luxe Silk Lashes in the style Asher. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara to blend that in, and also for my lower lashes. Now that we are finished with the eyelashes, as you can probably tell, something is missing, and it is this brow. So I am going to do that real quick. And you guys, I have been using something new for my brows. I know, if you watch my channel, you know that I stood by my Second Love brow pomade. I literally have like 4 of them, and it's like the only thing I used for like a good 1.5 to 2 years. But I recently tried the NYX eyebrow gel, and I've been loving it. Okay, so now my eyes are completely finished, and I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. But first, I'm gonna take some makeup remover because I want to get any fallout or glitter that kind of fell down onto my face. And I'm using the Neutrogena Grapefruit Makeup Remover. I'm then going to be using this Wild Rose Hydrating Facial Mist. I have been loving this recently. I literally bought this like last week, and it's already down here. I use it so much before and after makeup, in the middle of the day, for primer, setting spray. Like, it's just so good. I spray it on my chest, I spray it on my face, and it's literally from Five Below. It was $3, so you literally can't beat it. For my primer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Visible Lift Radiance Booster Primer. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade 205 Fair Golden. For my concealers today, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealers in the shade 100 Pure Ivory and 115 Light Nude. For my powder, I'm going to be using the Milani Pressed Powder in 02 Light Medium. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Bronzer in 05 Soleil. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the Milani Highlighting Trio in 03 Rose Gold, and I'm going to be mixing the shade Pearl and Golden Quartz. I'm also going to be taking the white shade Pearl on my brow bone and on my inner corner. And that completes this look. You guys know I never ever do like a lip color, and I always get questions about it, and that's just because I feel like no lip color ever looks good on me. But yeah, this is the completed look. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you're single or taken for this Valentine's Day, because I'm curious. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys!